Bam! This is my business credit card that I got $1,200 back just for signing up. And there's a lot more perks, which I'll go over in just a second. But I also did this. I got a second one. Bam! This is for my wife. So I've got two credit cards here that the bonuses are a total of $2,400 just for signing up. Hey guys, my name is Dustin Heiner with Master Passive Income, and I want to show you how to quit that JOB, that just over broke job, by investing in real estate, by getting passive income, starting businesses in every single way possible, because I want to show you that you do not have to work a job. And could you do one thing for me? Could you smash that like button? It helps the YouTube algorithm. And I'm going to share with you how I actually got these two credit cards, two different actual plans, and how it actually worked out really, really well, and how something I did back in 2009 actually is paid off to where it is now. I'm getting offers for these credit cards just like this, and I just got another credit card offer that says if I spend $4,500, I will get $500 cash back. Now, I personally love getting cash back. I know a lot of people like, airline miles and things like that, but I love cash because I can spend however I want. And with all three of these credit cards, I'm going to actually make $2,900 in cash going into my pocket, like literally gets sent to my bank account. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Oh my goodness, Dustin, how are you going to spend $25,000 to get all these bonuses? Well, I have businesses, I have real estate, and all these things make me money. I spend money, but it makes me money. Now, in 2006, I started building my real estate investing business. See, I buy one rental property. It makes me $250 a month in passive income every single month. I mean, that's $3,000 a year. So I started buying one property after another. And eventually I had 4 or 5 properties, and I thought, you know what? I should probably start a business. In 2009, I decided it was time to create an LLC, basically create a company for all the rental properties that I have. And I started an LLC, it's a limited liability company, and I started it, got an EIN number from the IRS, and started building my business, started buying property after property. And because of that is how I can get credit cards like this, offers like this from the credit card companies, and I could also get, this is what I got from Capital One. Now, to give it away, Capital One Spark, they literally just sent me this paperwork. Now, what was great, and this is how I actually got $2,400 in cash back. See, now the first one, here's my card. So this is my card that I have for my company. I got this card, and with it, I got a total of $1,200 cash back. Let me tell you exactly how. I actually had the offer literally right here in my hands, and I already actually cashed in on one, which I'll tell you in just a second. So number one, you're gonna get 2% cash back with this Capital One Spark business card. It's a business card. You get 2% cash back on everything that you spend. So if I spend $10,000, that's $200 back. I know you're thinking, oh my goodness, Dustin, that's a lot of money, which it absolutely is. But I have business expenses, like I said. On top of the 2% cash back, you're also gonna get $1,000. It says literally $1,000 one-time cash bonus when you spend $10,000 in 90 days. Now, I know that's a lot of money. Now, I have businesses, and those businesses actually cost money to run, but my tenants, they actually are the ones that pay for those business expenses. And there are other perks that come with this card, and one of them is that the first year you don't get charged the $59 annual fee, which I'll probably cancel this card after I actually get my money. I'll probably cancel the card and not use it. I've done this before. So I got another, back in like 5 years ago, Capital One sent me another card, and I made even more money then, and I'm making more money now. That's $1,200 just by getting a business credit card and spending $10,000. Now, you might be thinking, oh my goodness, Dustin, how do you spend that much money in 90 days? Well, like I said, I have businesses. Now, let's look at my statement here. As you can see, I have different charges on here. And for Master Passive Income, I have a lot of business expenses. Like you see here, this one right here is how I actually run Master Passive Income, where I teach people how to invest in real estate. That's on here. You can see all these other transactions that I have. And you can see each time I make a transaction, I get that 2% cash back. But it also goes towards that $10,000 total, which is that $1,000 bonus. See all this transaction, like this transaction here, because of this, it put me over the top. And now look at this transaction right here. This transaction right here is $1,000 back in my pocket. That was cash back. Now let's look at these statements where it actually shows me the specific amount of money that I got back. Well, here's the first one and here's the second one. You can see this totals over $1,200 because I spent a little more than $10,000, but I got over $1,200 back by spending my money on a business credit card, which I would normally have spent in general. I would normally have spent it, but I'm getting 2% cash back and I'm also getting $10,000. Now, here's the great thing. I literally used this and they sent me another one. And this offer right here is actually the second time I've got this same offer from Capital One, the Spark business card. You see, here's my card right here. And after I got my money back, I said, my goodness, they're going to give me $1,200 bonus for getting a credit card. Let me go ahead and get a second one. And I put it in my wife's name. So here's our second card in my wife's name. We're going to get another $1,200 bonus just for signing up for this credit card. And check this out. I went and checked my wife's account and look, she's already got the cash back. If you can see transactions right here. And as you're going down, you can see the different transactions. Like here's a big purchase right there that I had to do for business. Another big purchase for business. And then there is the cash back reward right there. And so all these different transactions for the business works out terrific for us. And then you can see the overview. I have this much coming back in cashback. I'm literally going to redeem it. And on top of that, I'm actually signed up for this, US Bank credit card. I'm going to sign up for that one as well. What is fantastic, I'm going to have a total of almost $3,000 in bonuses with normal expenses that I would normally have paid out. Now, I know what you might be thinking, well, goodness, Dustin, how do you spend $25,000 in, 90 days? Well, each credit card, I get it after each other. So the first one I've already spent after, 2 months, I spent all $10,000. Now I get another credit card, a month later, which is my wife's, and then I'm gonna spend another $10,000. And then I'm going to apply for this next card, and that's going to be after I spend $10,000. See, now this is super easy how you can actually do this. See, now I have businesses in real estate. You can too. What you do is you make sure you make $250 a month in passive income. That's money that I put in my pocket that can pay for food for my family, roof over our heads, travel, all that good stuff that we want. But we account for every single expense from our property. So we add up all our expenses, and then we have our income, which is our rents. That difference right there should be, in my opinion, I am strongly suggesting $250 or more every single month in passive income. But those expenses, you're still going to pay those expenses. Well, I take that back. You don't pay the expenses. Imagine this. I don't pay my taxes. I don't pay my insurance. I don't pay my property managers. I don't pay for repairs. I don't pay any of that stuff. My tenants pay that, so they pay me money in rents. And then I charge it on credit cards like this because it's already going to be expense, and I've already accounted for it. That money comes in my pocket in the form of rents, and then I go and pay off the credit card. So I'm not actually paying this money towards these credit cards. Now, you can absolutely do this too. I want you to get my free real estate investing course. Go to masterpassiveincome.com/free course, or check in the description. You can actually get my free real estate investing course. And if you build a business, you will absolutely be able to get credit card offers like this, be able to utilize your business credit. And I have that entire video showing you how to build a business, establish business credit. And you will want to watch that video as well to walk you through how to actually create your own LLC, get it going just like I did. You guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next one.